The tech world is constantly evolving, and Huawei continues to be a major player with its latest release, the Pura 70. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. Huawei is pushing for a more connected future. The Pura 70 is packed with features that aim to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiast. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel the quality and craftsmanship. It's clear that Huawei has put a lot of thought into every aspect of this device. In this review, we'll dive deep into what makes the Pura 70 tick. We'll explore the standout features, compare it to its predecessors and competitors, and ultimately see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the specs. The Pura 70 boasts a powerful new Kirin processor delivering lightning-fast performance. Apps open quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and demanding games run smoothly. The battery life is impressive too. You can easily get through a full day of use on a single charge. The camera is where the Pura 70 really shines. Huawei has outdone itself with a triple lens system that captures stunning photos and videos. Even in low light, the results are impressive. Compared to the previous model, the Pura 60, the camera has seen a significant upgrade in both hardware and software processing. Beyond the specs, the user experience is what truly sets the Pura 70 apart. The phone runs on Huawei's HarmonyOS, which is intuitive and easy to navigate. The display is also a highlight. It's a large, vibrant OLED panel with a high refresh rate, making everything look smooth and fluid. One of the key design features is the phone's edge-to-edge display, providing a truly immersive viewing experience. Huawei has also incorporated an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. The phone feels great in the hand, thanks to its slim profile and lightweight design. So, is the Huawei Pura 70 worth your attention? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse of a phone with top-of-the-line specs, an impressive camera, and a user-friendly interface. While it faces stiff competition in the market, the Pura 70 holds its own and offers a compelling option for consumers looking for a premium smartphone experience. Huawei has once again demonstrated its commitment to innovation and delivering high-quality devices. The Pura 70 is a testament to that commitment. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable and feature-packed phone, the Pura 70 is definitely worth considering.